It's that time of year again where it's 10 degrees outside, only 30% humidity in your home. You've got itchy, dry, cracked skin, chapped lips, a dry, stuffy nose. What's the answer? A humidifier. Now this is a one-room humidifier. This is one of Amazon's most popular and well-sold humidifiers and a very well-known brand. I'm going to get it unboxed, show you how it works. I'm going to put it in a 12 by 19 room, so roughly around 230 square feet. I've got my Therm Pro here. We're going to measure the humidity percentage before and after 1 hour. We're going to see how much it raises the humidity in that room. So by the end of the video, you'll be able to tell if this might be the right humidifier for you. Unit out of the box, it's basically already assembled. There's really no assembly required. You just kind of want to make sure there's a water filter inside your tank that's secure and it's not going to sit in there and float around. Now you can take everything apart and wash everything for the first time if you want. Otherwise, we need to fill this up with water. Now this does hold about 3/4 of a gallon. It will run for about 20 hours. Now I don't recommend using tap water unless you run it through a filter first. You're either going to want to use purified or distilled water, otherwise you're going to get a lot of calcium buildup in this humidifier. So let's go ahead and fill it up with water and get it tested. Here in my 12 by 19 room, roughly 230 square feet. As you can see with the Therm Pro, it is 69.6 degrees and the humidity level is 33%. So I'm going to turn on the humidifier. I'm going to close this room up, come back in 1 hour and see where the humidity level is at. I've got the humidifier going. I have it on its max setting. So this is going to be kind of the most you're going to get out of it. So it's all the way clockwise set to max. You can see all that mist coming out of it. Now we're going to go ahead, close up this room, come back in 1 hour. And it's been exactly 1 hour and the room humidity is up to 36%. And as you can see, the humidifier is putting out quite a bit of mist. So it actually raised the humidity percentage in this room quite a bit. So if you're looking for a good, quiet, affordable room humidifier, this will be a great choice. If your room's around 250 to 300 square feet, I would say that's going to be about at your max. This thing's going to work all right. If your room's a little smaller, all you got to do is dial it down a little bit and it will work perfect. I'll put a link in the description on how to buy this off at Amazon. Have it show up at your doorstep in 2 to 3 days. I'll be testing this out over the next week or two and give a final review and conclusion then. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.